Hey Bennington boat lovers, it's Josh over here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have a brand new boat to show you. It is a 2027 Bennington 22 SSR. This is part of the S1 package, which I'll show you those interior features here in a moment. But this boat is in the midnight blue color with the blackout luxe package. So we have the black anodized aluminum rub rail and rails on the paneling. We also have our integrated dock and nav lights right here. This is a tri-tune, so we've got the SPS performance package on the tunes. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more. Guys, we're here at the back of the boat and you can see we've got a ski tow bar on this boat, as well as a 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard with the stainless steel Reliance prop. And over here on the starboard side, we have a boarding ladder that's also black anodized aluminum. Let's hop inside and take a look. Welcome aboard the 22 SSR. This is an S1 series boat, as I mentioned earlier. So this boat is going to come with the Leon light silver interior, as well as the graphite Simtex accents. We have our cutaway area in the lumbar section. Why am I doing this? I was doing fine until there's like nothing to talk about on this boat. Yep. All right. Welcome aboard the 22 SSR. As I mentioned earlier, this is an S1 series Bennington, which means it has all the essentials that you and your family need to get out on the water. This boat comes with the Leon light silver interior and the graphite Simtex accents. We're gonna have our roto-molded seat bases like we have on all of our Benningtons. So we've got the water channeling gutters to help direct water overboard if it does rain on you when you're out there on the water. We've also got some cubbies and cup holders tucked away in that lumbar area and a table here center line. If you look up here at our entry gates on both the stern, bow, and port side entry gates, we have these nice door glides that are also lit, so at night you can light up those doorways. Moving back to the helm, we have a roto-molded helm, lots of storage underneath this, and it is lockable. We have a nice courtesy light on the side, and this is going to have our analog gauges up front here and a tilt steering wheel. We've got a Garmin Echo map over here to the right. And we've got our analog switches here on the dash as well. We have a Rockford Fosgate audio in this boat, so we've got Rockford Fosgate speakers and the head unit there. Binnacles perfectly placed right here by your armrest. We've got a wireless phone charger tucked away up underneath the console, as well as a lockable glove compartment down below. Over here on the port side, we have a matching co-captain's chair with more cup holders. And moving back, this is the stern radius seating, so we have our rear chase lounges. Lots of storage underneath both sides here, as well as storage underneath all of the backrests. This boat is equipped with a manual 10-foot Bimini, so it gives you lots of shade if you want to get out of the sun. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, just give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.